Hi everyone, it's me, Ella the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flamingo filter. So you're going to need a cup that's been, like a little plastic cup that's been in a coffee maker machine. My dad drinks coffee, but this is from Grandma's house. You're going to need a little plastic test tube, some bubble wrap or plastic wrap, some tape. You're going to need a toilet paper tube, scissors, marker pen, Sharpie, pencil, and some pink paper. Alright, so first we're going to get the bubble wrap in, and I'm deciding to cut my bubble wrap, and I think that will help if you cut your bubble wrap. Maybe. Depends on the length. Alright, so you want it to sort of be long. Yeah, it's really hard to tell the size, or like what size you want. Alright, let's see if this fits. Okay, I'm gonna roll it up, and this you may need an adult helpful with it. Stuff it in, stuff. Trying to get it to the other side. Almost there, almost. Push. So close. Almost. Got it. There. Alright. Now that we've got that settled, if there's excess, just put it along the side. Don't go all the way through. Don't go through. Oh, having trouble with this. Alright, there. Once you've found the perfect location, you're gonna take some tape and sort of press it down around the side. There. And then you're gonna tape that down. See? So it goes like this. And then this. And then that. So that's there. And then I'm gonna put some tape here. And almost there. And there. Perfect. Then you're just gonna do the same with the other side. Got it? Got it. Alright, I've done it on the other side. Perfect. Then you're gonna take the little cup that has a hole punch, that has a punch in it, and try to squeeze it. I'm wiggling mine down, and that's helping, so try that. Perfect. There. See? And then you're going to try to put it over that and just see if it fits. Sure does. But first, we're going to add some color to this flamingo beak. And we're going to take pink paper and cut it. Ooh, this is way easier to cut. And then snip. A little more. And you can also measure it on your toilet paper tube. Almost. And good. Then you're gonna take a piece of tape. Oops, not tape on the paper. And then go like this. And then just wrap it around. There. Put it right here. There. Ta-da! And then just an extra mixture. Put it over. See to check. Oh, and my paper flew down. So I'm gonna fix that. Take some more tape and then tape this on. Then add a little more tape. Tape this on. So, see? So then when you put down, paper doesn't slide down. Now, we're going to draw. Alright. So, trying to figure this out. Alright, so from here we're going to draw a frown. Turn upside down and it'll be a smile. Alright, so I'm going to take my Sharpie and then carefully draw. And then up, and down. Up and down. There. Ta-da! See? But if you like, you can draw a little eye. So I'm gonna do that. Draw a little circle, then a circle inside. And then I'm gonna draw a frown like this. And whenever you want yours to smile, just turn that frown upside down. Ta-da! See? And that's how you make a flamingo filter.